Fink Machine has been a supplier of high-quality biomass boilers since 2003. We are now Canada's largest supplier of municipal, commercial, and institutional biomass boilers. Our wood chip and wood pellet boilers are the perfect solution for your large-scale heating needs. They are a sustainable, cost-effective heating option. Fink Machine is a pioneer in prefabricated and containerized boiler plants, with over 160 biomass boiler installations and counting. Our biomass boilers complete the entire wood residue to energy process. The systems are fully automated and can reduce your carbon footprint while saving money on energy costs. We pride ourselves on providing exceptional customer service, and our trained technicians are available 24/7 to provide support and ensure your biomass boiler is running smoothly. Fink Machine provides ASME and CSA certified equipment, so you can be sure you're getting a product that meets the highest standards of quality and safety. And we support the systems we sell with a level of in-stock and exclusive parts that no one in the industry can match.